If you think the iPhone 13 is going to be a flop launch, you might want to think again, as Apple is allegedly anticipating huge demand for the new iPhone. Chinese site CNBeta reports that Apple has ordered more than 100 million A15 Blonic chips for the iPhone 13. This information is reportedly based on supply chain sources and gives us an idea of the potential scale of the iPhone 13 launch. Earlier this month, Bloomberg reported that Apple wants to boost iPhone 13 production by 20% over last year's output. This signals that the company would be expecting even bigger sales for the iPhone 13 compared to the iPhone 12. The earlier Bloomberg report said Apple was looking to produce 90 million units through the end of the year, up from 75 million units of the iPhone 12. The A15 Blonic chip will reportedly be made by TSMC, and while it should be based on the same 5-nanometer architecture as the A14 chip and sport a similar 6-core CPU, there should be some upgrades this time around. The A15 is said to offer improvements in performance and power efficiency. CNBeta speculates that Apple may target battery life for this year's launch, as Apple is already ahead of the competition. However, the performance of the rumored Snapdragon 895 chip is apparently quite strong, and Samsung is working with AMD on a new Exynos chip that could power the Galaxy S22. The good news is that Apple is also reportedly increasing the battery size for all 4 iPhone 13 models, which would be a welcome upgrade. After all, only the iPhone 12 Pro Max impressed us on our web surfing battery test. All 3 other models underwhelmed. In terms of the other upgrades, the iPhone 13 is rumored to offer a faster 5G modem, Wi-Fi 6E connectivity, and camera improvements like an astrophotography mode and portrait mode video. We also anticipated a less obtrusive notch for the iPhone 13 series that should be 25% smaller. The iPhone 13 Pro series looks to be more exciting with the rumored addition of a 120Hz Pro Motion display and always-on display. In addition, the iPhone 13 and iPhone 13 Pro Max are both tipped to offer improved ultra-wide cameras with wider apertures and autofocus. The iPhone 13 is set to make its debut this fall, likely in September, so we don't have long to wait to see if these rumors come to fruition. Alright guys, this was our today's video. I hope you liked it. If you really did, then smash the like button. And don't forget to subscribe to our gadgets-friendly channel, Gadgets Times.